Hey there, welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something really simple, but also really important, our feelings. Let's learn the words to share how we're doing.
So let's just start with a quick check-in. How are you feeling right this very second? Seriously, take a moment. It sounds like a simple question, but having the right words to answer it is a big deal.
So, what even are feelings? Well, it's pretty simple. They're just the words we use to explain what's happening on the inside. They help tell our own story, and they help us understand everyone else's too.
All right, let's start with the basics. Two feelings I bet you already know pretty well. Happy and sad.
Think of these as the two main starting points. Happy is that word for when you feel good, and you guessed it, sad is for when you feel bad. It's a really clear difference, and it's kind of the foundation for talking about all our other feelings.
So how do you tell someone you're feeling good? It's as easy as this. I am happy. Just three little words that say so much.
And what if you're not feeling so great? Well, the pattern is exactly the same. You just say, I am sad. See how that works? That I am part is going to be super useful.
Okay, now that we have our foundation, let's add a little more flavor to our feeling vocabulary. Next up, we've got tired and excited.
These two are also really different from each other. Tired is that feeling when your body is just saying, hey, I need a break. But excited? That's like happy turned up to a whole new level. It's that buzzing, good feeling you get when something awesome is about to happen. So, after a super long day at school or playing outside, you can just say, I am tired. It lets everyone know you need to recharge your batteries.
And what about when your birthday is coming up or you're about to go on a fun trip? You can share that awesome feeling by saying, I am excited. It's a great way to let other people feel that joy with you. All right, you've learned the words. Now for the fun part. It's time to actually practice saying them. Saying them out loud is what really helps them stick in your brain.
You ready? It's easy. Just repeat each phrase right after I say it. Let's do this.
Okay, here we go. First one, I am happy. Nice. Next up, I am sad. Good. How about this one? I am tired. And last but not least, I am excited. Fantastic job.
Now let's try it like a real conversation. I'm going to ask you a question, okay? How are you?
One great answer you could give is, I am happy. Let's do it one more time. I'll ask you again. How are you?
But maybe it was a really long day. Another answer, one that's just as good and honest, is, I am tired. See? The same question can have lots of different answers, and it all depends on how you're actually feeling.
And that's it for our practice. You did an amazing job. Now it's your turn to take these words and use them in your day-to-day life.
So, what's the big takeaway here? Well, you've got 4 new, clear ways to talk about your feelings. The only thing left to do is practice. Try to ask yourself every day, how am I feeling? And see if you can name it. Which brings us to our final question for you. Now that you have the words, how are you going to share your feelings today? Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time.